Hi, I'm Oparago Chris, the founder of Cool Arts, and I'm a visual artist. So I do all sort of painting, but I'm here today to do a leather painting at Theerisfoundation. And aside painting on bags, I do mural paintings, bespoke painting, digital painting. So if you're interested in my service, you can find me at Yaba, or I own a studio too at Ogba. And also my Instagram is coolarts_wallframe. So today I'm going to show you how I painted this bag, the leather bag, from the start to the finish.